With one of the largest footprints, AireSpring currently offers more than 35 domestic carrier networks, including all the Tier 1 networks, delivering primary and/or backup network via fiber, broadband coax, 4G LTE, 5G wireless, fixed wireless, and satellite. Internationally, AireSpring offers network connectivity to more than 190 countries, many via direct carrier network agreements, which affords competitive pricing. We have the reach to deliver connectivity to just about anywhere in the US and around the world. AireSpring operates a global private network with 23 points of presence, POPs worldwide, and gateways in many countries, including across China, Asia, Europe, the Americas, and the US. Our global private network provides true Layer 2 connectivity between our VMware-enabled gateways. The combination of VMware SD-WAN and our global private network allows multinational companies the opportunity to replace their aging, expensive MPLS networks with best-of-breed technology. After many years of implementation, our leading SD-WAN platform is VMware. AireSpring maintains tight business and technical relations with VMware, including releasing VMware's SASE, Secure Access Service Edge security platform, adding an enhanced measure of security to the VMware SD-WAN platform. Fortinet is AireSpring's alternative SD-WAN platform and our primary security offering for edge-based and network-based managed firewall. The Fortinet brand and service is lauded by IT professionals around the world. AireSpring also offers Cisco Meraki for SD-WAN and security needs. AireSpring provides a matrix showing the ideal use cases for each of these three solutions. AireSpring's SD-WAN and security solutions can be combined with our managed connectivity services, or it can be run on top of a client's existing network. AireSpring has the experience installing large-scale implementations both in the US and globally. We are true SD-WAN experts for customers of all sizes and any category of business. Contact us today to learn how you can benefit from the AireSpring advantage.